In this video, we can talk about top 5 Copysmith alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. If you are on the lookout for powerful alternatives to Copysmith, then you have come to the right platform. In this video, we will present you with top 5 alternatives that are simplified: Hypotenuse Ai, Rytr, ContentBot, and Copy AI. For your advanced content creation needs. The first alternative on our list is Simplified. Simplified is an all-in-one solution for supercharging the content creation game with the power of AI and assists businesses in creating engaging content. It offers a wide range of features such as Presentation Maker, Image Generator, Background Remover, and Animation Maker. With Simplified, anyone can create stunning graphics and visual content with just one click. One of the standout features of Simplified is its ability to transcribe videos automatically with the help of AI. Second alternative is Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AI is an excellent platform that leverages the power of AI to generate full-length articles and marketing content in mere seconds. It offers features like ad copy generation, landing page copywriting, SEOs and conversion, and in Hypo Chat. Whether you need blog posts, website content, social media updates, or product descriptions, Hypotenuse has all your content needs covered. One of Hypotenuse AI's standout features is its ability to tailor content to fit the specific needs of the audience. Moving on to our third alternative, we have Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you generate various types of content, including blog posts, social media captions, and even scripts. It is endowed with many features like text editing, blog writing, creative writing, and magic command. With its extensive language support and creative writing capabilities, Rytr is an excellent choice for businesses seeking assistance with content creation. One of the standout features of Rytr is its flexibility that can be used in the entire writing workflow. Our fourth alternative is ContentBot. ContentBot is a powerful tool that provides entrepreneurs and businesses with the ability to build and maintain consistent content. It offers features, including content automation, blog content, automated inspiration, and ad copy. With customizable templates and an intuitive interface, ContentBot is designed to make content creation simple and efficient. And one of the standout features of ContentBot is its ability to generate content in multiple languages. Fifth alternative is Copy AI. Copy AI is an AI-powered copywriting assistant that helps businesses generate compelling sales copy and marketing content. It offers features include email copywriting, landing page generation, and even content improvement suggestions. With its ability to analyze data and generate persuasive copy, Copy AI is a valuable tool for businesses aiming to increase their conversions and engage their target audience effectively. A standout feature of Copy AI that sets it apart from others is its ability to generate informative product descriptions in just a fraction of the time. Compared to Copysmith AI, Simplified offers a more user-friendly interface and a wider range of content generation features. Hypotenuse AI specializes in persuasive copywriting and conversion-focused content, making it a strong alternative for businesses aiming to enhance their marketing efforts. Rytr, on the other hand, stands out with its collaborative AI writing assistant and support for various content types. ContentBot excels in creating informative and SEO-optimized content that aligns with your brand's voice. And Copy AI provides powerful sales copy and marketing content generation capabilities. If you're looking for an AI-powered content generation tool that offers a comprehensive range of features, including blog posts, social media content, and email copywriting, we recommend Simplified as the best alternative to Copysmith AI. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to choose the right content generation tool for your business. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.